Right, this question asks us how to concatenate n strings, and n refers to the number of strings that you want to concatenate. And we're going to use dot join function. So first I'm going to make a list, and in this list I'm going to pass in 3 strings. So first one is hello, and then second one is John, and then the third one is Doe. And we're going to basically attach these 3 together and make one phrase out of it. So I'm going to store this object in a variable called list. And then I'm going to use dot join function. The way that you use it, you start with quotation marks. And then you say dot join, parentheses. And then in parentheses, you're going to pass in the name of that object that you want to get the strings. So in this case, it's list. Before I run this, so what we're targeting here with dot join. So we target these spaces, right? We need to basically omit these parts, the space and comma here. And for this case, I'm gonna store the whole object in a variable called a, and I'm gonna print a. So we'll see what it says. There you go. Hello, John Doe. But the problem is this quotation mark, which targets these spaces and comma, has no space in it. Means that these 3 strings are just joined and there's no space between these words in this phrase. To do this, I'm gonna make a space here, and then I'm gonna run it. Sorry, I'm gonna run it again. Then hello, John Doe. And basically that's all about this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being fans.